Today, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to put a animated GIF for a certain amount of likes for your TikTok live. All right, let's get started with it. Well, first, you need to go to Tikfinity, and then, so I'm going to just go from the start, and then you go to Actions and Events, and then you create a new action. Show picture, GIF. Let's do Valak. So where I got my gifts are you can go to Giphy. You can search up anything right here. CLE. And just select a random one, and then you can just download it right here. All right, and then you could put an audio for that GIF, so it's much scarier. So you open Sound Library, and then type in scary, apply. And then the duration, I'm gonna just do only 4 because it doesn't need to be that long. You feel me? Oh, lights. And then after that, you create a new event. So I'm gonna just let everyone, for the likes. And then what events it will be, sending likes, taps. Now I'm gonna do like 2000. And trigger all these actions for this one. What we just did. All right. And it's saved. Now we're gonna try it. And try it right here. There we go. And then there's one important part on it though. You gotta put this overlay on your Streamlabs or Stream OBS. So you copy this one, screen one. So it doesn't say offline and it's ready. So it's showing your TikTok. So you go to sources. This is Streamlabs. And then browser source, add source, apps, add source, and then put the URL. And then you'll be good after that. And now you have it. If you guys find this video helpful, please like and follow. I really do appreciate it. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.